right, guys, so I will be going in and out of the video so that because I don't have an item that can hold my phone. So this is my idea, and I'll show you guys at the end how it came together. So this is the idea. So those are the placemats I found at the Dollar Tree. We have white plates. They were in the kitchen tool area where all the spoons are. These were like 2 for $1. I saw dollar plates in the Target dollar spot area, but they were $3 for 2. So I was like, you know what, it's not that serious. And I didn't go for the glass plates instead of these because I plan on changing these within the season. So I didn't want to go like, I know I'm cheap, I guess. I didn't want to go all crazy with getting white plates because those are not going to be the actual plates that we use. And then the plates are going inside just like that. And then what I plan on doing is using the ribbon to tie around the tea tree towels on the side so that they go like this, and then it has a napkin. So that's really what I have to do and what I'm going to use this satin ribbon for. So let me do that so that you guys can see exactly, and then we'll put it all together on my table, and you guys will see how I put it out, and then you guys can tell me what you thought. Okay, so all I did, if you can see there, is I took these tea tree towels. They were already rolled up. All I did was put the ribbon around it and kind of open it up a little so it looks a little bit thicker than what it was. And that's it. So I'm gonna do that 4 times because there's 4 of us, and then I'll show you guys how it looks. Again, I am not a DIY expert, but this is kind of the look that I wanted for my kitchen, to have that summery feel. So let's take a look and see what I ended up with. Okay guys, so this is the end result of our dining room table. This is what I put up. Everything again used from the Dollar Tree. If you saw one of my last recent hauls, I shared that I got that the flower in the middle, the flower pot, I got that from the clearest section of Target. The lemons on the table are real. I was attempting to get the lemons from Dollar Tree. Those are the only 2 things that were not from the Dollar Tree. Even the doily in the middle is from the Dollar Tree. But yes, this entire dining room table is from the Dollar Tree. So I hope you guys enjoyed that very quick DIY. Again, I'm not an expert, just wanted to put something together that my family would enjoy. So simple, very modern in my opinion. So something that we can put together and enjoy. So if you guys like videos like this, or you guys like videos from the Dollar Tree, definitely like and subscribe. I definitely plan on sharing some more hauls in the future, and if I come across any DIYs that I try, I will definitely share them with you so that you guys can try them out too. So hope you guys enjoyed this. Definitely let me know what you thought. Definitely comment below if you tried anything like this, any dining room ideas from the Dollar Tree. I would love to see them. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy your week, and we'll see you on the next video.